Okay, my clients are looking forward to having some rain gutters installed on their beautiful new home. Unfortunately, I won't be here to see that, so I'm just going to kind of give you an idea so everybody has reasonable expectations of what to expect before the, so that everybody can understand, Mr. Builder can understand, my clients can understand what we're looking for with a rain gutter installation. Of course, we want the rain gutters to take water, direct water away from the structure. Alright, with the rain gutter, there should be a gap between the butt end of the rain gutter and the wall right here, about 1.5 inches. Okay, maybe 2. There should be kick out flashing right here so that the water is diverted into the rain gutter. Now if you look, we've got shingles and there's a little metal strip that's flashing, that's drip edge flashing. And then we have our fascia board. Alright. The back side of the rain gutter is supposed to go behind the flashing. The water cascades off of the flashing into the rain gutter. If the rain gutter is installed in front of the flashing, then water can travel behind the rain gutter as it cascades off of the flashing and rot your fascia board. That's why we do it that way. And then the water, like I said, it's supposed to direct water. Rain gutter is supposed to direct water away from the structure. Alright. We've got a nice slope here. So it'd be pretty easy to take the water down. But what we don't have is we don't have a lot of yard. We've got the neighbor's slope and we got your slope. Alright, so this is just going to be a marsh. Taking all the water that comes off of this roof, directing it down and over to this direction. The way the neighbors have handled it is the rain gutter goes below grade. And then it comes out farther down the line and it avoids the swamp issue, mosquito issue, West Nile disease issue.